Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush. Today we will see selected quarter versus last quarter. Okay, what does it mean by? Let me take you through the sheet. Okay, if you observe, there are the two bar chart, and if you observe the axis, there is the Q3 and Q2. And right side, I have created a one parameter. If I select 2023 Q4, okay. So this is my Q4 and this is the Q3. What does it mean by selected quarter in the previous quarter? If I select my latest quarter, it should show the information about the previous quarter as well as for the one selection. Okay. If I select Q4 and I can see the Q3 as well as, and this is the very good topic which I would like to discuss with you because most of the time the client or the end user are the looking for this kind of information. They don't want to go for the manual selection or go just select the previous select quarter, select recent year and do this kind of things. They wanted to generally see if I select the latest things in the from the drop down list, whatever it is the parameter or the your filter, it should show the previous information as well as. Okay, so let's see how can we do this in a Tableau. So let me open the new sheets. So again, this is the sample superstore data. The first step will be, let me create a new calculation. Date range UART quarter. So I'm saying date part, year, order date, date part, year, order date, plus, and I want to see like this. Again, I'm saying date part, here instead of year, I'm taking quarter, quarter from order date. Okay, so there is an error because here I'm using the string and Tableau doesn't like this. Tableau saying, hey, here using the date, here using the string, I don't like this. So if you're happy with the Tableau, you need to pull the string, right? I forget to plus as well as. So now Tableau is happy. Okay, so what I did, date part, year from order date, I took the year from the order date. Again, this is the important. Okay, so I'm saying I'm adding the Q. So the final output will be 2023 Q3, 2 2022 Q1. This will be look like when we create a parameter. Okay, so this will add after the year like this. So first calculation is completed, and based on this calculation you need to create a parameter. Just right click the newly created calculation and go to the create, just hit down the parameter. Okay, you can see there are the parameters and all the years and the quarter are listed. Just hit OK. Now this is the third step. I'm saying we select date, selected quarter. Okay. So P months parameter, and this is the calculation. You can give whatever name do you like. So I'm saying my this parameter equal to, again I need to follow the second step which we created in the quarter. Okay. So string, again I'm applying the string because I don't want to hurt the Tableau again. String date part here from order date plus this q, this string date part, here is quarter from order date. Okay, Tableau is happy. Let me apply this and let it be open this calculation for a minute. Let me order date will be my quarter. Okay, let's say let it be or you can this discrete. Okay, I don't think so. You can see let it be close, will open. Okay, let's pull this our calculation. This is the selected quarter. Okay. Okay, so if you observe that if I pull this into the color cell, so I can highlighted one Q1. Okay, I guess in the parameter selected for the Q1, if I am not wrong. Okay, yes. So this give me the true or false. True means whatever I selected, it's been highlighted. Let me check. Let me select Q4. This will be highlighted. Okay, and the what will be the end result? What are looking for? We are looking for last quarter as well as if I select Q2, it should show the Q1 as well as per the selection. Okay, so let's move to our newly created sheet, and this let me find out where is. Okay, now I'm saying or let me copy and paste it here. Hope you can see this clearly. Instead of order date, because I wanted to show the previous quarter as well as per the selection, what I did, I'm using here date add date add date add for I want to add quarter 1 from my order date. Same goes here, date add from the quarter from order date. Okay, so I will summarize again. First, I will create a calculation date quarter range. Based on that, I created a parameter. After creating a parameter, third step will be create a calculation. Please select parameter. Pull this parameter in your calculation equal to that thing we already created in date range calculator quarter, sorry. And the one thing is you need to change from the date add because we wanted to add one quarter with selected. Let it be open. If you see, if I select Q4, it should show me the Q3 as well as, see, the both are highlighted. If I select the 2020 from Q4, it should show the Q3 as well as. So we have done. Let's pull this in filter and boom. Okay, let it be this. Okay. So now you can give this in the end user. They can select any quarter. It should show the previous quarter information as well as. Okay. This is how you can achieve this kind of visualization. That's it from this video, and great day. Happy New Year.